What's up homies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making quick and easy burger buns. 1 2 3 30 minutes or so and you have burger buns, or just bread. You could just eat it like that. That's what I do. So let's get baking. So we're going to get started with 1 cup of warm water. Make sure it's not hot. 2 tablespoons of yeast. Give it a little bit of a stir. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. And you're going to set that aside for 5 minutes. Now we're going to work on our flours. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of whole wheat flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 cup of white sugar. Combine that well. I'm going to add 1 large egg, 1/3 cup of canola oil, and we're going to add our fully bloomed yeast. Get everything out. Start to combine, and guys, this is the way I actually knead my dough. I start off with a spatula, and so my hands are never sticky, and I could do this the entire way. Just knead your dough like that. Look at my hands. There's nothing clinging to it. I believe if you use the right amount of flour and water, there's no need to add excessive amount of flour. So you're going to knead that well, about 5 minutes or so. Now you have a nice ball. Do not allow this to rise. You're going to cut it into 12 pieces. First I cut it into half. Then I cut half into half, and then I cut each piece into 3 pieces, giving me 12 pieces of dough. Now you just knead it. Form it into nice little balls. Yes! I like to form balls, so form the balls very well. Just like so. Now you're going to get a lined baking sheet or a lightly oiled or greased baking pan, and you're going to add your little doughs onto them. Or if you have the space on your counter, you could just do it right away. We're going to cover this and let it rest for 10 minutes. And in the 10 minutes period of time, we will preheat our oven to 400 degrees. After 10 minutes, you come back and your dough is ready to be placed in the oven. Bake this for 10 to 12 minutes and it comes out looking like this. So if you take 10 minutes to form your dough and 10 minutes to let it rise and 10 minutes to let it cook, it's about 30 minutes. If you take longer to make your dough, then it's not 30-minute buns. But here I'm brushing the top with butter. And yes, I really wanted to try this right away because I love hot bread, freshly baked bread and butter. Okay, catch me trying right here. So hot I had to put it back, but no, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try again. Look at that. Too hot again. I had to put it down. Oh no, this is too hot. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let your bread cool your buns on the wired rack. This is the correct way before eating it. It's going to be worth the wait. Now I'm just cutting into it, baby. I really wanted to slather some butter on this, but I just had to show you what the insides look like. Perfect and so soft. And in 30 minutes, we're ready to go. Look at that. Yes. Yes, darling. I forgot. That's my bun. I put meat in there, and I have burger buns. Okay, these are so soft. and fluffy and delicious. I find when I use whole wheat flour, it always makes it a little bit more soft. This is what I like. Give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think.